Hamir Veran. Of yeah, sé gemma Assassin's Creed a han so nicht féimi sin rut ginine dhéanú an sa láidú. Colas Jeffreyse ar is sé. Ha seo fear cinneannach. Díreach nuair a haisméid sin go bhfuil Gaelic sin Assassin.
Scientists have few answers for them. Since the mass coronal injection of 2012, the strength of the Earth's magnetic field has increased by a factor of 50,000. This has resulted in huge disturbances in radio and satellite communications, dangerous bands of radiation around the poles, and as we can all see from our window, an aurora borealis that never burns away. Unfortunately, we are stumped as to why this is happening. And if we cannot find an answer soon, it may change the way we live, the way we communicate, even the way we evolve, forever.
Dr. Circa went on to say...
Bought you more electrolytes? Oh, new and improved citrus flavor.
Thanks, Sean. How do we fix this? How are you the key to everything?
Okay, so sin Eivor.
You're a long way from home, Eivor.
Sé Éileán Gúirt.
Did you get my tea?
Oof. Mint tea is not actually tea, Bex. It's an infusion. It's really just dirty, minty water.
I don't care what you call it, Sean. Did you buy any?
Of course I did, love.
Hey, sorry about pulling you out. The generator was sputtering.
That's fine. I needed air.
How is the Animus data stream? Comfortable?
Felt pretty stable after a while.
Good. Just give me a sec
Dirty,
and you can
minty
jump back
water.
in.
Another satellite came down. Did you see?
I did. One of Abstergo's.
That's good.
Well, most of North America just lost its GPS service, so depends what you mean by good, really.
Right. Even when we win, we lose.
Okay, we're all set. Whenever you're ready, you can jump back in.
Scanio. Dúlaí na rá síobseir an barach gúine a chos le Rebecca Sean is iad san ach a mis sé díreachas an aine reis ganna an I chuna gemma mar go bug.
All right, time to go. Norway to England takes about a week by long ship, so I'll scrub ahead.
I shouldn't feel mal. Okay, there slat Hermes was mentioned.
Layla, you okay?
Sorry. Can you play the message again?
We have the transcript. If you're looking for something, I can
No,
go and...
I want to hear it.
Okay.
I don't mean to be cryptic. It's just... that message led us here. To this place. To a Norse grave in North America. So those bones out there are the only lead we have. Our only chance at fixing this planet before it's too late.
Here it is.
I lived, I died, and now I
Unsettling, that is.
That pulse in the message. Are you sure it's just coordinates? Nothing else?
Nothing I can find.
Okay, I'm ready.
Here we go.
Gàidhlig. Shouldn't have. Go there. Sassy.
There she is. England. Our new home.
Not a patch on Norway, but we'll make this land our own soon enough.
I'm glad to see any land at all. I will be happy to have my feet on solid ground again.
We must not rush our landing. All you see here is Saxon territory. The Kingdom of Mercia, largely unpacified. There will be eyes watching us from the trees, with bows drawn and traps set. We must be wary. Randi! Take in your oars! All standing!
Have you spotted something?
Not yet. But let us go ahead to clear the path of any dangers. Then follow our lead when the sun brushes the horizon.
Understood! May Thor bless you all on your way! We will see you soon!
Sail on!
Yes! I'm ready for whatever these green-thumbed fairy folk have to throw at us.
Sigurd, do the sons of Ragnar know that we're coming?
They do not, or they will not scoff at our visit. Of the 4 kingdoms in England, the sons of Ragnar have settled only one. The rest is ripe for the taking.
Do we mean to join their army?
No, no. We will speak with them, get the lay of the land, and carve this country into as many pieces as we see fit.
Look ahead there! Is that what passes for a town? Plain brick in a single rune to their timid god?
That rune is called a root, Deug. The cross upon which their god was sacrificed. It sits atop a monastery, a place of worship.
That cross killed their Christ, and now they display it in worship? Bizarre.
We carve idols of our gods and make wishes before them. Like our sacrifices to Odin the One-Eyed.
But we do not worship the wolf that kills him. That is the difference.
Whatever strangeness we see in these Saxons, they must think the same of us.
The hammer! Now there is a symbol worthy of a god. A bolt of lightning would take that cross clean off. Look there! What are they doing?
Ritual drowning.
Baptism, Deug. Are the ways of Christians really so unfamiliar to you?
Not at all. I simply forgot. And someone has to keep the conversation up. It must be priests and worshippers alone in that place. We could storm this port with ease. Sack it without breaking a sweat.
Is there much in the way of treasure there?
Always! They shape precious metals and cut jewels to their gods. There will be a fortune there.
Later, Deug. There will be time enough for raiding once we have settled.
Okay. Okay.
Come to. Stop the boats. Pull up over there. Way forward is blocked by a chain spanning the river. We must remove it before passing on.
A chain? Can we cut through it?
It's too thick for access. But there must be a way to release it, somewhere in that camp.
I will go.
And I will be right behind you.
No, Dad. You stay here. Should trouble come your way, I want you defending the ship.
A good idea. Send out the arrow and keep your sharpest axe at hand, huh?
Something like that.
Okay. Kitchen steak and a sin. Agus ní fercing nach bíad ar an dóid meiscing. Fishing.
I should not be seen in this area.
sin. Mar bheith mí caran tú. Okay. Agus clenne sibh nuair ha is go a staan an aitcin agus a fiochan ri seálta an ceáil a fás nas an tent goteach so okay. Ní se dá bulacha a chu meas fan dúil ach níor sin Careful, is it though?
Hey, I want to talk to you.
Oh, it's kind of.
Something going on?
What? What?
Stop! You there!
Okay, sin na séad. Nis tíiste racha am is muintin. Tíiste híimi go dú. Okay, could you get a Susan here? Good job.
This chain is huge and poorly anchored, it appears. I might be able to shoot it. The path is clear.
Chain is away! Hey boy, back to the boat!
Sin. Smudging go bhfuil sin go bhfuil duine sin. Cai sin specin. Saichin agus specin a bharach bí go teach. Cavalo. Ah. Geo chan. I mean, sounds can rep a good card chan. Hello, come on, how you? Black Schnauzer.